Today, we'll check how good or bad Affinity Photo's AI selection tool is for background removal, especially when the object and background are the same color. Here's an image where the background is white, and the object, a t-shirt, is also white. So essentially, both the background and the object have the same color. For example, if we go to some old tools and use the flood selection tool, just click on the background. And the result? It selects both the background and parts of the t-shirt. That's the problem, because the colors are so similar, even increasing the selection size still includes the object. In cases like this, neither of those older tools is good if we want to remove a specific part where the background and object blend together. Okay, now let's test Affinity Photo's AI selection for background removal. Grab the Object Selection tool and wait a few seconds for Affinity's AI to analyze the image. Beautiful! Affinity AI makes a nearly perfect selection, even when the object and background are the same color. Now just add a mask, and the background is removed. That's it. Let's try another image, also with a similarly colored object and background. This time, I'll use another method. Go to the top menu and click Select Subject. Wait a few seconds for the AI to analyze the image. Pretty good. An excellent selection made by Affinity Photo's AI. It really saves time. Let's check one more challenging image. This one's tricky. We have animal fur, and again, the background and object are nearly the same color. The left side of the fur especially looks difficult, even for a human to separate. Let's try again with Affinity Photo's AI Object Selection tool. Wait a few seconds. That's a really smart selection by the AI. But instead of adding a mask immediately, while the selection is still active, go to the top menu and choose Select Refine Edges. Now we need to refine those edges, especially to make them soft like fur. Keep the settings as is, but increase the brush size. Gently brush along the edges, just like this. Let's preview the results using different view modes. I'm mesmerized. I honestly have nothing more to say, you can see the results yourself. I'm very happy with Affinity Photo's AI Object Selection tool, and I believe it will only get better in the future. Now, go ahead and add the mask. Background removed. If you found this video helpful, check out the next video on your screen, you'll enjoy it. Also, take a look at the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel. See you again.